Okay, hi. So I wanted to film something. It is a little bit overdue. This is just something that I've been excited about getting in the mail. I know it doesn't look like anything right now, but I'm gonna show you what the heck it is. Hang on, one moment. Oh my goodness, bro. What the? I don't know what it is with me and like opening packages on this channel. I just can't, apparently. So this is my lighting kit. It finally came in. I'm very excited about it. It's supposed to be like a stand, I think, or just. So this is my lighting kit from Uniqu. I don't know how to say that, but I'm just gonna say Uniqu because that sounds cute. So yeah, let's open it because I'm really excited and I can't wait. So it comes with, let's see. I'm gonna take it out of the box now. Throw that to the side. All right, and take it out of the wrapping. This is the bottom of the unit. Hey, you sir, you stop this madness. Oh my God, I just noticed kind of how heavy it actually is because I thought some of that weight was the box. It is not. So this is the little light part, I'm assuming, and it says to push forward. Oh, push forward to open. I'll lift that. Oh, how cool. That's cool. Oh my gosh. I mean, I knew what it looked like, of course, so all this excitement is really just me being like, oh, it actually does the thing that it's supposed to do. There is a light on this side. Mine is continuously falling. Is it supposed to walk in somewhere? I'm assuming this is how you extend it. I'm just like doing stuff right now. I've read no directions. Oh, that's how you lock it in place. Okay. So I found something out. Well, let me keep it locked actually, because I want to put it up. I know this is really painful to watch. Sorry, guys. Well, I try to figure this thing out. Do you just pull it up? Please don't break it, Paris. Don't do this. Oh, it feels like, not that it feels fragile, but like I know sometimes I have like, you know, like break stuff on accident. So you're probably not gonna have to see this all the way extended. Bro, what am I doing wrong? Is that locked in place? Oh, Jesus. Okay, so I'm assuming it's supposed to be, oh my God, I'm gonna break the thing, I just got it, this way. Can you? That is amazing. Wait, let me put it down so you guys can see. I bent it. There's a little joint right there where you can bend it. So I have to like kind of look at this thing a little bit though, because I don't really know how to do it yet. Okay, so yeah, I'm very excited about this to film because it can shoot top down. So I can film what I'm working on. And that'll make my life so much easier. So much easier. Believe me, my setup, normally, rinky-dink at best. So this right here, I've just learned, there's a little remote control in there. It's so cute. So I guess this is to start and stop recording. This is for the light. That's really cool. So this is what I was showing you. This is what it looks like. This is the remote right here. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that out. But you see this fell a little bit. The thing can go this way. Now I am having a little bit of that issue. I don't know if I'm just doing it weird. Oh, I don't actually think it's supposed to like just do this, because as I said before, it does have like a little hinge here, and you, oh, I'm about to break it, Jesus. So you put it out like that, and then what did I see? I saw them put it that way. So it's like this. So you know, bend it down like this, and it normally is like that, and that's gonna flip-flop all over. So you put it like that, and I do believe you can like have it straight up and just kind of use it as a like tripod type setup. I think this is for if you wanted to film like reels or anything of like your face, or whatever you're trying to film, honestly. I wonder if I could film myself painting. I probably can. I'm probably gonna try to. But yeah, this thing, I'm probably a little too amazed. Now this little gadget right here is really cool. I think this side, y'all don't pay attention to my nose. But I think this side is the back. So you hold it.
That is not correct.
Oh, this is the front. Okay, I'm blind. But it has like a few different settings on it, you know, the normal settings. And you hold it to turn it off, and then the other side is just the same. One thing I haven't done is figured out this part, because I think that's like Bluetooth. But for now, I'm gonna just slide this back in there. So I did actually want to show you guys what a few sizes of art looked like. So I have a few prints here, and I have a painting. Let's see, let's grab Moana. So this is my small, this is the size of a regular like photograph. What is this, 4 by something? I don't know. This is regular photo paper. This one is a display one. That's why it's all junky and messed up. This is one of my slightly larger coloring pages. Okay, so this is a slightly smaller print of mine. I am voice recording because I was completely rambling in this clip. I was trying to figure out what size this is. I actually don't print in this size anymore, and I print this watercolor piece on actually a piece of cardstock now. So it's actually not this size anymore, but it's smaller, as you see, than a piece of like regular computer paper. So definitely not an 8.5 by 11. Very awkward size that I decided to print it on. So this is the 8.5 by 11 print. So this is kind of what it would look like. You cannot fit everything all in one shot at this height. I do believe this is max height. Like, I can't pull it up anymore. So this is max height. This is what it's gonna look like when you're drawing. So you are gonna have to move your paper around a bit if you are like painting a full-sized 8.5 by 11 piece. So I know for certain in that case, oh Jesus, I'm knocking stuff down, that my painting, which is like an 11 by 17, 11 by 15, she ain't gonna fit in there. She is a big girl. So yeah, but if you're working on something this size, you're gonna have to be mindful about your camera placement and what you're gonna do to maybe like make the height, like put the height up a little bit, maybe sit it on something or something like that, just to get a little bit more distance from the piece that you're working on. Okay, so now I have finally connected this little remote to my phone, and that is now my little Bluetooth remote, and I can change the lighting and all that stuff without having to like mess with a bunch. I used to think that like the whole shebang setup that I used to have was like really all I could use to get a nice kind of camera setup. This may work. Now, I'd probably record from the other side of my phone or something like that because the camera quality seems to be a little bit better over there. I actually really enjoy this setup. It's very easy and like kind of seamless. Yeah, there was a few little like, I didn't know how to do certain things until I kind of played around with it a little, but if you read instructions, you 100% won't have that problem. All in all, like it would take me like a minute maybe to set this up and start recording. And that's it. That's a video if I'm recording this type of video. Now, my next video, or like some of my videos this month, even some of my Instagram videos, I will be using this thing. I should probably put the remote down. I'm kind of obsessed with it. It's so little and cute. I love it. I probably should have recorded this whole video in this lighting. But that glare though. That glare though. Sadness. This is the most dim, dull light. But I guess if I didn't have any lighting at all, it would be sufficient. That's nice. Looks nice. I like it. It's nice. And I just discovered with these buttons up here, you can turn the lights on. So you can just use it literally like setting it up and just having it be extra lighting if you're doing something that you don't need the actual stand for. So now I'm gonna put it away. So I'm gonna turn this guy around. That's how it was. I'm gonna slide my favorite part of it back in there. And put all this down. Sorry, my arm is in the way. There's all of that. Loosen this back up. My finger. Jesus. And then you close it like that somehow. Wait, hold on. Did I turn it? I did. You put the little clips back in. And you close it. And that's it. Cool bean. This is kind of how it looks in the hand. It's very nice. I actually got mine when they were having a sale. So I got it for, I believe, like $85 or something like that. Right now it is, hold on, let me check the price. The price is right there. So it may be more, it may be less. I'm pretty sure it's a little bit more, and they have different ones as well. They have like a bigger version of it that's like literally like it's wider. It's like a big square. But this one right here works for me because it's nice and compact. Will I ever invest in the other one in the future? Maybe, if I see the need. But otherwise, this will do for me. And I wanted to give a little disclaimer. This video is definitely not sponsored. And I don't think I ever talked about the fact that we finally reached 100 subscribers. We did it eons ago, but I just really thank you guys who've been there. I hope that you stick around with me, and I hope our little family grows here. A little slice of paradise on the internet. It's really amazing to have great support. Even when I go through times of like where I'm kind of like not really consistent, or, you know, I'm like just going through stuff, it's really nice to have people who support you. So I thank everybody from YouTube to Instagram to Facebook, whoever follows me and is subscribed or likes things or orders commissions, gets prints. I really, really love you so much with all of my heart. Not all of it, most of it though. You special, you got a special place in my heart. I just thank you guys so much. I thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.